Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing skincare, but I haven't bring any new skincare products on my channel in a long time. I was just browsing on Instagram and I found out that Black Radiance came out with a 5-piece luxurious skincare product, and I wanted to try it out because I really love and adore that brand. So basically it's a 5-piece. This is just 4 I'm holding up, but it's a 5-piece and it's $42 on their website. Now, Black Radiance Luxurious Skincare Kit features 5 luxurious products to pamper, nourish, and smooth living skin naturally radiant. The Scrub It Off, which is this here, this is a 1.41 ounce product, Action Exfoliator. Next one that we have to use is Clean It Off, which is the cleanser here, and all of them I think is 1 fluid ounce. Third one, which is Butter Melt, which is actually they have 2 of it, one night and one daytime. This is the Daily Butter Bread Moisturizer. This is 26 grams in here. And the one for the night, which is this one here, is the same thing. One is for night, one is for day. Since it's daytime, I'm gonna use the one for day. So we're just gonna open it right now and see what it looks like, because I never opened it since I got it. I just put it on my desk here. We could open it together. So this is it here. So this is the night. And let's just open it to see if it has any smell. So this is the amount that you get in this for the moisturizer, which I think is a little bit. Damn. Yeah, it's a little bit. Before bedtime, smooth night cream over freshly clean face and neck until completely absorbed. Okay, so this is the daily one here. This looks like a more buttery finish. This has a really nice smell. I don't even know what smell that I'm getting, but it smells more like a buttery smell. This is here, and the color is like a yellowish color. So we are going to be trying out the Scrub It Off first, which is the exfoliator. I have this big thing in front of me here, so we're gonna wash the face. Let me push this back. Also, I forgot to even mention that we also have an oil. This oil is a Botanical beauty oil. So I'm going to show you guys what I use to take off my makeup. I usually don't use anything fancy to take off my makeup. These are just the thing that works for my face. I don't like using alcohol on my face, so I use baby wipes to take off my makeup. This is the wipes that I use here. This is a Smile and Save unscented baby wipes, and this is maybe 89 cents at Walgreens, and this works pretty good for my skin. Okay, so I'm gonna do is just put some water on my face so we could use the product. Also, I'm gonna bring it down here, and then we're gonna use the Scrub It Off. This is the Dual Action Exfoliator. I'm gonna make sure that I take this off. So I'm gonna take a good bit. Wow, smell good. It has this type of smell that I maybe cannot, I don't know, it has a smell that I don't like, but I'm gonna make sure that I rub it in. I dip my hand in the water a little bit so it could be a little moist. So I bring you guys a little closer because I want you guys to see how the product working on my face. I don't like the after smell, so I'm just gonna keep on rubbing it in, and it says to leave it in for 5 to 10 minutes. So let me just set my time. This is how it looks after 5 minutes. I do like the finish. So when you rub it in, it kind of melts into the skin a little bit, and I like the fact that it's very luminous. Okay, I love that feeling. At first when I rub it in, I really didn't like the smell, but after you rub it in, you let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes, you don't really smell it. It's not a bad smell, but it's not something that I like. So this is a cleanser here. So I forgot to mention, this is not tested on animals, so it's all vegan products. So these pads that I'm using is organic skincare cotton pads. So I'm gonna just take just a few of it, and I'm gonna use the cleanser. Take a little bit and put it on here, and I'm just going to use it like this. But I still have makeup on my face. That's why it's good to make sure that you cleanse your skin after you take your makeup off, because even though you wash your face, that don't mean that the makeup is gone. So I'm gonna take a little bit and make sure I wipe all around my head. And I also just want to share with you guys, I only use organic pads. This is a little bit more softer on my skin. I've used cotton pads before, but they're a little too rough. So this one is very, very soft. So I'm going to take a little bit more. And I want to show you guys, like, it melts into the skin very good. And it feels very, very smooth on the skin. I don't know if you guys could see that. It's taking off the makeup really good. I didn't rub my eyelid with the exfoliator because I don't like to put stuff on my eyes like that, because when I do, it usually go into my eyes and I have a problem. So what I usually do, I just use a cleanser just to make sure that the makeup comes off. You guys can see that it's coming off. It still has a little stain to it, but it's not bad as before. It feels very, very smooth on my skin. It don't feel tight or anything like that. So I'm gonna take some Vaseline and put on my lips because my lips feels very drying. So we're gonna use the oil next. I want to put the oil first before I put the cream. I want the oil to make sure that it sink into the skin before I put the butter moisturizer. So this is the oil here, and you guys know that I'm a big fan of oils, and this is Botanical beauty oil. So I'm gonna take a little bit. Let me just see if it has any smell. No, I don't smell anything. So I'm gonna take a good bit. It don't really have any smell, okay? Oh, this feels so good after I wash my face. So I'm gonna take a little bit and put on my neck, because you know I always put makeup on my neck. My neck needs the same treatment as my face. It feels so good on the skin. So we're just gonna let this sink into the skin a little bit, and we're gonna talk about the butter moisturizer. So this is the overnight butter moisturizer here. This is the daily one that we're gonna use. And I think this is 26 fluid ounce, and then we're gonna take a little bit and put on. I tend to use a lot of my moisturizer because, like I told you guys, it just feels very nice on the skin, and it helps my skin at night and day. Blend it in. Oh, I love this smell. It's not a perfume smell or anything, it just smells very natural, like natural products in there. This feels so soft. It feels very moist on my skin as well. All the products that I've used in this video are not drying at all. They are very good for dry and oily skin. I think this is gonna work for all skin type, especially dry skin. If you guys want to try this product out, if you guys want to buy it individual, you can, but I want to try all the products for you guys so you can see how it works on my skin. I'm gonna put all the information in the description box below. See you guys in my next video. Bye.